If you don't like being blocked by sneaky keyboard shortcuts but still need that command prompt to install Windows 11, then try these easy fixes. First up, laptop users. Your F10 key might be moonlighting as a volume or brightness button. Try Shift plus, FN plus, F10 instead. It's the secret handshake for a lot of laptops. No luck? Hunt for an FN lock key, usually FN plus SC. Turn that on, then give Shift plus F10 another shot. If that's still a no-go, try Ctrl plus Shift plus ESC to open Task Manager. Click File, then Run New Task, type CMD, check Run as Administrator, and bam, command prompt. Sometimes the window opens but hides in the background. Hit Alt plus Tab to bring it into the spotlight. Still nothing? Try a different keyboard or boot into Windows Recovery Environment from your Install USB, then go to Troubleshoot Advanced Options. Command prompt. Remember, sometimes you just need a reboot. Power down, start up again, and try Shift plus F10 once more. Persistence pays off. Good luck and happy